Hi, my name is Coach B, your personal development life coach. Welcome to the Hope Channel for your Monday morning magic, where inspiration plus information equals transformation. Today's topic, the right fit. The right fit is important to you reaching your goals. Let me give you an example. Saltwater fish will not survive in fresh water. Freshwater fish will not survive in salt water. Why is that? Because the environment and the nutriment and the support system in those bodies of water are contrary to what the fish needs. It's important for us to take a look at our surroundings, the people that we're surrounded with, and the things that we are ingesting. What are we taking in that will either help us move towards our goal or move away from our goal? I'll give you an example. If you're around people that are naysayers about what it is that you're trying to accomplish, they will plant seeds of doubt in your mind. If you're around people who are supportive, they will help you to what? Weigh the pros and cons of what you're trying to do. The environmental factor is so important. Are you getting exactly what you need? See, a lemon tree is not an apple tree. An apple tree is not a lemon tree. So it's really important for us to understand that the potential that we have needs to be sown into the right environment for it to grow. So you might have a goal, you might have a dream, but you may not have the support. You might have the goal and the dream, and you might have support, but you don't have systems. You might have the right dream, the right goal, but you might not be in the right environment. All of these things are important. The nutriment, the environment, and the support is really, really important. The right fit for you. Everybody is not the same. Everybody doesn't require the same thing. Everybody is not going the same place. Everybody's dreams are different. What I would like to offer you in this moment is a chance to change all of that, to put yourself in the right environment, get the right nutriment, and get the right support. That is what? Your size, your fit. Save the date, December the 11th, from 12 to 2 p.m. An afternoon with Coach B. Like, share, subscribe, or even leave a comment. The link for this virtual afternoon with Coach B will be in the description box. I'll see you next Monday.